In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable PowerPoint's teleprompter feature, a handy tool for anyone looking to nail that perfect presentation. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who just wants to ensure a smooth delivery, this feature can be a game changer in keeping you on track during your presentations. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. This is your initial step towards unlocking this helpful feature. If you haven't already installed PowerPoint, make sure you do so before we proceed, as all our steps will revolve around this program. Once you've got PowerPoint open, navigate to the specific presentation you'd like to enhance with the teleprompter feature. This step is crucial because you'll be setting up the teleprompter specifically for this presentation. Now, with your presentation open in PowerPoint, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Record. Go ahead and click on that. By selecting Record, you're not only preparing to harness the teleprompter feature, but also setting yourself up to track your practice sessions. Recording can help you review your presentation later to see where you might need to adjust timing or delivery for effectiveness. As you begin recording, your eyes should move towards the bottom right of your screen. It's here that you'll find various tools at your disposal. The bottom toolbar is packed with options that enhance your presentation environment, allowing you to fine-tune your setup before going live. Next, locate and click on Views. This is where the magic happens, as Views opens up a new realm of options. These options let you manipulate how the slides appear to you while staying discreetly informative for your audience. Once you're in Views, you'll be able to spot the teleprompter option. Turn this feature on. This final step is the key to accessing a smooth subtitles-like guide that subtly appears as you present, making sure you never lose your place or momentum. The teleprompter will display a scrolling script, enhancing your ability to maintain eye contact with your audience while staying on message. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've enabled a feature that not only assists in delivering clear and confident presentations, but also helps you engage more naturally with your audience. Remember to practice with this setup to get comfortable with how the teleprompter integrates into your presentation style. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips useful. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further clarification. Happy presenting.